few advantages of home networking, which is done by DLNA. Some use of some applications like TV remote. More importantly, the media, the social media, which is now not just restricted to mobile devices, your iPads or PCs, but are also moving to the television. I'll also give you a brief demonstration of file transfer using your mobile phone as a server, and how you can use the power of cloud to ensure that your photographs, your videos, your music files are shared between various devices over a DLNA network. I have with me a few devices here, but the most important device which I'm going to use, which I want to stress upon, is this sharing dock here. Now, this sharing dock is currently powered by a Vodafone 3G dongle. So one of the key I would say takeaway from this entire video is going to be the power of Vodafone 3G and this sharing dock, which I'm going to be using as a wireless router to connect my various devices, which includes my TV. This is a 3D smart TV with wireless capabilities. We have a home theater system, and this is also a networked home theater system. And then we have a lot of devices here. So if you check out here, we have one BlackBerry OS 7 device, an iPad 2, Windows based Nokia Lumia 800 phone, an Android phone, and a computer. So all these devices are currently not networked. So at this point of time, I have just my TV connected to the dongle. To the sharing dock. I have my home theater connected again to the dock via dongle, and this phone here. So to begin with, I would like to showcase to you the usage of Facebook, which is now not just restricted to the PCs or the tablets or the phones, but it's now moving to televisions as well. So now the only cumbersome thing which I see people face while using Facebook on a television probably is the keyboard. With a device, which is an Android device in your hand, and your television connected to the home network, I don't see that as much of a challenge. I'll give you an example how and why. Now this is the LG TV remote application. This is the LG TV, the LG home theater. Now if you see, this is the remote application of the LG TV. So now my phone is connected to the same access point, that is the sharing dock, the Vodafone sharing dock, with which the TV is also connected. So I can use this phone as a remote. Let me just give you an example. If I shake my phone, it brings up the home menu on the TV. Now as you can see, I can use the touchpad. I can also use some buttons, and I can bring the TV to the home screen, the home menu, as you can see over here. And now I can use the touchpad to control the various functions or controls of the TV home screen. Now there are multiple ways to use Facebook on the TV. Now there are two of them which are critical ones over here. In fact, there are three. The cumulative options are three, but the two of them are my favorite. One is wireless web browser, which is like using Facebook on the computer or the iPad. The second one is through this social center, which is the social networking services. And the third one, which I'm going to showcase to you first, is the Facebook application, which you can see over here where my cursor is. So just to give you an idea how it looks like, let's click on it. So this is loading up the Facebook application, and here we go. Now the entire registration process takes a couple of steps, which I have skipped because I've already done it for the sake of convenience. So what I can do is, I have also done auto sign in, so I'll just click on it to start my Facebook application on the TV, and here we go. As easy as that. Now you might not be able to do almost everything that you can do on your PC, but most critical things would be available over here. So as you can see, you have your friends updates, which is your news feed over here. You have the option of viewing your wall, your friends, check out some of the videos which have been uploaded, some of the photographs, the messages, and you can also update your status from here itself. Now let's check out my wall here. So if I click on my wall, by the way, don't forget the speed which you are getting. This is the 3G speed. So this is powered by the Vodafone sharing dongle. So here you go. This is my wall, and I can again quickly navigate to back to the home menu. So as simple as that. And if I need to update my status, I can just click on post status and update whatever I have. So let's say, for example, if I say testing something or test status, so let me just select TE ST over here and say OK, and that's it. So your update was successfully posted, and I can see my update by going to my wall here. Here we go. As simple as that. Now this is one. The second option is to check out the Facebook, which will actually give you the complete Facebook access like what you're used to seeing on your PC by going to the browser. So let's exit out of this one over here. So I'm exiting out of the Facebook application, again shaking the phone to come back to the home menu. There we go. And now let's go to the web browser. Now what you saw on the previous application, you had to use those buttons to type which were there on the screen. But if you're using Facebook via this browser, you can actually use the keyboard on the device itself, which actually makes the browsing experience far more simplified, far more convenient for the consumers. So here we go. This is the email ID which I have already entered, and my password which I'm going to enter here. So I'm just tapping it over here. So I can actually speak it also. So I have the option of speaking into it as well, but I'll rather use typing to maintain my privacy. So here we go. So my password is entered. Let me just say OK and log in. And again, so kudos to the 3G speed that we are getting, and here's the wall. So some nice updates from my friends, my colleagues, my relatives, and if I wish to like something, I can click over here to like it. I can make comments, and if I wish to make any change, let's say go up. Let me go to my wall. And now this is what I just entered, the test update which I just made. So as you can see, it says 2 minutes ago via LG Smart TV. Now what I can do is I can comment over it by clicking comment and writing something. So what I'll do this time is, instead of typing something, I'll speak something. So here we go. Test 2. Here we go, test 2. So test 2 is posted here, as you can see, and I'll just say OK to that. So let's go down and say enter. Okay, that's it. So that's all you need to do to update your Facebook status. Now the critical part here is, let's exit out of this and again shake the phone to go back to home menu, or just press the home button. There are a lot of applications which you can also download, and all this can be done using the same access point and the same connection. So hope you enjoyed watching the demonstration of Facebook on TV using the Vodafone sharing dock. Thanks a lot for watching.